Wondering what a Japanese supermarket is like? Just like those in other countries, Japanese supermarkets offer a wide selection of food, drinks, and other daily necessities. Of course, you will find that most labels are written in Japanese, but as long as you're familiar with the items, you'll be sure to get by. Fruits and vegetables are sold individually or by pack, not by weight. They're usually expensive, but there are always mixed fruits on sale, especially at night. If you're too busy to cook, there are so many delicious ready-made food too, such as side dishes and salad. Most counters are self-service, so the cashiers will just scan your items, transfer them to another basket, and give you plastic bags, but you will have to do the packing by yourself. Depending on the supermarket, you will pay either directly at the counter or use a self-service machine by yourself. And if you have to pay directly, put your money on the tray instead of handing it to the cashier. This is an etiquette being practiced not only in supermarkets but in almost all shops in Japan.